Okay, got a quick, easy little project for the day. I've had these levers for months and months and months, back from when I had my little Westsde 85. They didn't fit on there really at all, but they do seem to be able to fit on my KX 125. I already tried this one. The brake lever does fit, no modifications. But clutch lever, this part of the perch is just too thick. So we're gonna try to grind it down with my little Dremel tool sanding piece and see if we can get it, thinned out so it fits. So let's see. I use this to hold it down. It's gonna be my little vise for the day, and get it on there and see if we can get it, fit it. Let's do it. Just for comparison, I had a long way to go to get this as thin as that. Literally just scratched the surface. It ain't barely do nothing. I gotta find a better way. I'll figure something out. Okay, we got a new attachment to try out. Let's see if we got any better success with whatever this is. So I got this mini file. This could possibly take forever in 7 days, but worth a try, right? Maybe somehow with this attachment I can cut it. I don't know, let's see. So I think this just might indeed be the way. Fixing to find out, ain't we? There you go. That's how far we've come. It looks really bad. That looks real bad. It is our finished product. I smoothed out all the rough edges, all the burrs and stuff. Just gonna spray it with some the compressed air, get all the little excess pieces off, but it should be good now. Let's compare now to the OEM one. It's even thinner now. Hopefully it works just fine. I think it will. If anything, I'll just put some washer or something in there and get the space, you know, good, but should be good. Let's get it on the bike and see. I don't know. Look like the fitment is still a little funky. Try this again, made a few adjustments. I don't know, still might not work. Maybe it's just not meant to be. Maybe it's just not meant to be. Uh-oh. Hey, Jackson. My eyes on my action, you hear me? Hey, Jackson. My hands on my action. See if I can get this little rubber washer to fit. I think that's it right there. Not too stiff, but still, you know. Yeah. Okay, I know the levers don't exactly match with the bike, but they still don't match, and they're both breakaways, you know. I trust them. Should be good in case any spills, and you know, won't ruin the OEM joints. So there they go.